the Yi Jin Jing, or muscle and tendon improving exercise. Close the perineum. Touch your tongue behind your front teeth at the hard palate. Rotate your two big toes inward 1 degree. Lead with the thumbs, then make a prayer position. Make a swimming motion. Stand on your toes. Palms face upward. Middle fingers touch at the top. Make fists. Bend wrists. Come down slowly. Follow your right cupped palm as though it is blocking the sun. Your left hand is flat behind your back. Then do the other side. Step right foot forward right. Push with the feet. Pull both hands and fists in toward your body 3 times. Then do it on the other side. Push the fingers forward. Stretch the palms and fingers by bending at the wrists. Return to neutral and repeat for a total of 6 times. Pull your left ear with the middle finger of your right hand. Left hand is behind the back, fingers pointing up. Look at your right elbow, then your left elbow. Do it a second time. Repeat the exercise on the other side. Stick out your pointer fingers and pinkies and pull the others in. This is called the eagle claw. Sink down. Rotate the forearms and stand up. Touch thumbs to the bases of the ring fingers to make what are called baby fists. Hold fists upward at the sides of the waist. Poke right fingers up, then left. Then stretch the palm flat. Bend down at the hips, sweep to the right, make the right hand into a baby fist, and return it to the right hip. Repeat this exercise on the other side. Chop to the right. Make tiger claws. Stretch the back. Stretch the front. Then make the pounce on prey posture where you look up and forward. Then do the other side. Sit on your haunches. Cover your ears with your palms. Tap the top of your spine with your pointer fingers 10 times. This is called beating the heavenly drum. Tuck your head down. Slowly get up, stretching the backs of your legs, then your upper back and neck. Release hands. Bring them down. Interlace fingers. Bring them forward, toward you, and press them down. Bend forward and curve the back slightly upward. Wag tail left, look, then right, look at it, and repeat left and right wag and slow look. Reach forward, and then assume a neutral posture with legs together. Relax.